Uh-oh, low network connection. Good morning, everyone. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're here with our Faces of Commerce today on the Parrot Head charter boats. We're so excited! Thank you, Tom, for allowing us to come aboard today. Say hello, Tom.
Hi, thanks for coming aboard. Glad you're here.
Yeah, we are so blessed to live in a beautiful area, and it's got a lot of water, and you do a lot of services here at Parrot Head.
Yes, we do. We are a tour boat. We are not a fishing boat. We are a tour charter boat, and we do boat tours, water taxi service. I do taxi service specifically back and forth to Parrot Head Island when folks want to have that opportunity instead of a ferry. And I also do burials at sea, believe it or not, cremations when so needed.
I understand you do weddings.
Yes, I've done a few weddings. Not actually had people get married on the boat. They went to a wedding or from a wedding here on the boat. But I do tell people that I will marry them for the duration of the trip. And once they get off, they have to deal with it themselves. And also, I'm willing to do. Anyway,
we are just having a great time out here today. I mean, look at that beautiful, beautiful waterfront. It is just gorgeous. Now, Tom, I know you were talking about pricing, and this is a private six-pack.
Yes,
is what they call
it. This is a six-pack boat. I can only take up to 6 passengers. The boat itself will hold about 10 safely, but I'm only allowed by my license to do up to 6. And the pricing, it's a graduated pricing because I have 2 levels. I have 2 levels within 2 standard tours. I have a 1-hour tour and a 2-hour tour. And the price differences is related to the amount of fuel I'm using. I have a fast run and a slow run. The slow run is up to 10 miles an hour, and most people like the slow runs because you get to see more. And the fast run is up to about 25, could be 30, 35 miles an hour if I feel like, running the boat out a little bit more. So the range is $97 for the boat. This is not per person. This is up to 6 people. I charge $97 for the 1 hour fast cruise, slow cruise, sorry. And if I have 6 people, it's still $97. And the top end for the 2-hour fast cruise is $297.
That sounds
so
great.
And then there's rates in between. Don't need to go into them right now. You can find me on my website. It is parrotheadboating.com.
So,
Parrot with 2 R's and 2 T's.
All right, so we got parrotheadboating.com.
Yep.
And you're stationed at the Southport Marina.
Yes.
And so people would just, they could also come to the marina and ask about you if they can't remember that website, parrotheadboating.com.
And it has a phone number in the website also.
That sounds great. Well, Tom, thank you very much for taking out on a wonderful cruise. Look at the waterfront. If you have never seen the waterfront from the water, you definitely need to take a cruise.
As a matter of fact, having said that, our company motto is see the sights from a different perspective.
That's wonderful.
And a lot of people appreciate that.
Well, come see the sights from a different perspective on Parrot Head Charters. Thank you, Tom, for taking us out today. Enjoy your day, because I know Mitzi, say hey. She's all dressed up. She's a button today. And we are enjoying our time out here on the water today with Parrot Head Charters.
Glad to have you on board. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.